Hello everyone and welcome to the short explainer video on how to trade on a decentralized exchange. This video is for anyone who is new to decentralized exchanges or has never purchased tokens using Ether. As you have probably noticed by now, not all exchanges are born equal. We most commonly distinguish between centralized and decentralized exchanges. In real life, these categories are somewhat blurry, and you will find many exchanges which are somewhere in between. Between the two ends of the spectrum, there are a few important differences, and it's worth to take a minute to give you an overview of the most relevant distinctions. Firstly, centralized exchanges allow you to buy cryptocurrencies using fiat money, such as US dollar or Swiss francs. On decentralized exchanges, this is usually not possible. Centralized exchanges allow transactions between different protocols. This means you can swap, for example, your Bitcoin for Ether or vice versa. On a decentralized exchange, you can only trade tokens which run on the same protocol. Centralized exchanges are typically run by companies. These companies decide who gets access to the exchange and under what conditions. In recent months, some centralized exchanges have made headlines with the very high listing fees they charge for tokens to be listed on their exchange. Decentralized exchanges are commonly also maintained by a team of professional developers. However, usually listing requests can be submitted free of charge. On some exchanges, users can even directly add any token that runs on the specific protocol. The last and maybe most important point to consider when you ask yourself where to purchase your token is security. When you open an account on a centralized exchange, the company which runs the exchange usually holds your funds. This means that if the exchange goes out of business, is shut down, or runs into other issues, your funds may be lost. On a decentralized exchange, you send your funds to the smart contract of the exchange. The code of the smart contract is public, and with some technical knowledge, you can check if and how the smart contract allows you to withdraw your funds in case the website of the exchange, which serves as an interface to the smart contract, goes down. Once you decided which type of exchange best suits your needs, there's a large number of options to select from in both categories. Today, we will take a closer look at IDEX, which currently is the largest decentralized exchange for ERC20 tokens in terms of volume. In order to trade on IDEX, you first have to unlock your wallet. There are a few options to do that. You can either restore a key store file, use your private key, or connect a software or hardware wallet. Now, when choosing between these options, you should keep in mind that for safety reasons, you don't want your private key to touch the internet. So uploading it here is not a great option. Your best options are to either use a software or hardware wallet. Today, we will focus on accessing IDEX via a software wallet, more specifically Metamask. If you don't have Metamask yet, you need to install a browser extension. Google Metamask extension and add it to your browser. Click on the icon in your browser and follow the prompts to set up Metamask. Since this is fairly easy, we won't go through the individual steps here. Once you are done setting up the software wallet, you can either purchase Ether against fiat on a centralized exchange, or you can send the Ether you already have to your Metamask wallet. Once your Ether has arrived in your wallet, you proceed to unlocking it for IDEX. To do this, click on the Unlock Wallet tab on the IDEX website. Then choose the Software Wallet option and click on Unlock Software Wallet. Now you are logged into IDEX with your Ether address. The next step is to deposit from your software wallet to the IDEX smart contract. This is possible under the Balance tab in the navigation. Filter the list with the value Ether. Click on Deposit in the action row of Ether. Choose the amount you would like to deposit. Adjust the gas price. The higher you set the gas price, the faster your transaction will usually go through. Transaction speed is usually not a problem unless the network experiences congestion, in which case you have to set the gas price higher for your transaction to make it into the next block. You can check the top of the website for the currently recommended gas price. Now, click on Deposit and Confirm. Your Metamask will ask you to sign the transaction. After this setup, we're now ready to go check out IDEX for the token we would like to buy. Just enter the ticker symbol in the search box. For our example today, we would like to buy some VLD token. VLD tokens support the personal data marketplace ecosystem of the Vetri application. The Vetri marketplace enables you to partake in the personal data economy, selling your anonymized data to researchers, marketers, and product developers, and getting rewarded for it. To purchase the token, we type VLD into the search bar and can now see the chart, the buy and sell option, order book, and history of trades, like on any other exchange. To place an order, we need to write the price we want to pay per VLD token, as well as the amount of VLD tokens we would like to purchase in total. Here is an example of how to buy 0.16 Ether worth of VLD at a price of 37,570 GUE per VLD. You can choose between market and limit orders. Limit orders will ensure that the transaction is only executed at or below the price you indicated per token. Market orders will buy you any amount of VLD you can get for your Ether at the current market rate. We want to be on the safe side today and go for a limit order. When you're happy with the transaction parameters you've set, click Buy. Metamask will prompt you to confirm the transaction. Now your transaction is added to the order book. Should you change your mind, you can delete your transaction anytime as long as it hasn't been executed. Once it has been executed, you will be able to see your VLDs in your IDEX balance. You can either transfer them to an ERC20 compatible wallet or continue trading with them on the exchange. That's it. Pretty easy, right? We hope this little tutorial was useful to you and wish you a lot of fun exploring the universe of decentralized exchanges.